Okay, let's do this. So load up your mod first, and then you need to know what type of arrow are you going to add to your follower. For you to find that easy, type arrow here, go to the all, find the arrow type you want. In my case, I'm gonna use the SteelArrow. So let's put it the name here, SteelArrow. This is the arrow that I'm going to use. You copy this name here. I'm gonna create an actor here just for testing. Anyone would do. You can choose your follower in this case, or just skip this part if you already have your actor. Go to your quest, create a new one, 60, name the quest like arrow for follower. You can use your existing quest in doing this. Click OK, save your plugin because the creation kit uses to crash a lot. Arrow, go back to your quest, quest alias, new, unique actor, and find that one that you did. My copy is this one here. Click in these boxes here. Optional usage store text and store text. Now put the name of your follower in here. I'm gonna change the name to Ulfgar. Okay, it's not because the name of my follower is Ulfgar, so it can be any name. It will reference this NPC key either way. So now you select here, Ctrl Shift R, and click yes. Then you're going to create your dialog you need. I'm gonna just use this one here. Oh, I can't use this one here. Topic, okay. Now here, let's see. To keep the topics organized, I like to do this way. Let me ask you something. Then the NPC will respond. What is it? Okay. Now this one here, the second one will be the one that will hold your arrow that will send to the NPC or spawn in his inventory. So arrow type or anything you want to name it. Here you put what you want to say to him. Add the response that the NPC will give. Go back to this first one here and link that other dialog to keep things organized. Here, arrow type, okay. Now here's where the magic starts. You're gonna put the semicolon here, do a compile. You can't edit the properties now. You need to give a OK. And then reopen the dialog. Now you're gonna add some properties here. Properties will be ammo, that is the arrow. That's ammo, okay. There you found the way. What arrow are you going to use? Like in here, we put SteelArrow. This is the idea you need to put in here, like SteelArrow. Copy this name or write it down exactly so it auto-fills when, if the name is correct, it will auto-fill when we give OK. So it auto-filled, picked object, SteelArrow, done. Now you need to reference your alias for your follower. Now, reference alias, and the name of that alias that we put, I put mine in Ulfgar, because yeah. And since the name is Ulfgar is already set in there, and okay, now it didn't pick out correctly. So we need to pick our quest and pick our follower here in a drop-down. I type it correctly. Don't know why it didn't choose it automatically for me, but you can do this way. So you will copy this script here, remove this semicolon, and give a compile. It will give no errors like this. One other thing I forgot to mention is that put the name of your own alias here, the same name that you set your properties here of your alias. So here's the AddItem, and then here you can change the number of arrows you want to place in his inventory. Every time you set this line to him, every time he thanks you, it will be add to his inventory this value here. So you can change it to, let's say, well, I'm gonna leave it at 20. You give an OK, and OK, save, and you're done. If you have a SEQ file, you don't need to give a quick save and a quick load. But if you don't have an SEQ file, you need to do a quick save and a quick load for the dialog to show up on him. Now I'm gonna show you in game. Okay, now we're in game. Let's see.
What?
First, let's take a look at his inventory to see if he has anything.
Let me see what you have.
He doesn't have any arrows in there. Now let's hit the line.
Was that all? Would you now? What is it?
Now we check again in
Sure.
his inventory. And there is the arrows. All good.